Starting up this three-phase Rheem RJNL or A060CM. It's a three-phase, 230 volt, 5-ton packaged heat pump. Looking at the 5-ton evaporator. We've got the blower motor with the belt. Heavy duty, baby. Heavy duty. Looking at the blower contactor and the contactor for the compressor. It crossboard on the left-hand side, transformer on the left-hand side. Comes with the scroll. It's a three-phase scroll, DP51K 5E. Then reversing valve. Then your high and your low for your gauges. And the high's coming right off the discharge of the compressor. Then it's going into the reversing valve. Suction is coming off on the true suction line, and also has a 5-flow TXV and the dryer and the liquid line. But pretty simple unit. It's working good, and the transformer has been modified to run off of 208. The legs have been changed on the transformer, so it's 208, 230. So, smooth operator. I'm all done with the startup. The rotation is set right, the transformer is set up right, the blower motor is running correctly, the compressor is running correctly. 5-ton, 3-phase, 208, 230, RJNL-A060CM 000. It's actually manufactured 214, so the unit is like brand new. But it's quiet, customer's happy. The original unit was a gas electric, but this establishment, they're done with their gas. They just want a heat pump. They don't really use the heat that much. So they went back with the heat pump. But the unit's nice and quiet. The customer's happy. That's all that matters.